Hey guys, today is August 27th, 2020, Thursday, one more day till Friday. We're going to do our SEL question, our Thursday bell ringer, wagon train at dusk. Hopefully we can finish it today. And we did not get to the all about me. So your learning target for today is you can explain your ideas and your thoughts and your success criteria. You can write about a video and you can annotate a text. So let us go to our Google Classroom. Okay, so in our Google Classroom, we're going to go to Classwork. We're going to choose our 6th grade Level 2 Padlet, and we're going to respond to our question for the day. Question for the day is, what is your favorite type of music? So make sure that you put your response. Remember, down here in the corner is a circle with the plus sign, and you click on the pencil so that you can respond. Okay, so make sure you put your response for the SEL question of the day. Next thing we're going to do is go back to the Google Classroom, We are going to the Classwork tab, and we are going to choose bell ringers. So today is our Thursday bell ringer. We're going to click on this. We're going to open it. We're going to go to Thursday. Thursday, there is a video for you to watch. When you finish watching the video, you have a question to respond to. What are some of the challenges of growing up that Cassidy faces? So this girl is trying to go to the Olympics, and there were different things, different challenges that of growing up that she had to face. So one of them was going to bed early. She had to go to bed early because she had to get up for practice and people were laughing at her. So I want you to think of 3 things, and you can copy mine, okay? You can copy my first one. I want you to think of 3 challenges that Cassidy faced, and I want you to type it in the box. Remember, if you don't know how to type, you're going to click on the T for text box, and you can make a text box, okay? The other way, you should already have a text box, so you can just double click, and then you're going to be able to type. So this video takes about 15 minutes to watch, and then you need to respond. All right, when you finish with your bell ringer, you're going to go back to the Google Classroom. You're going to go to Classwork, and you have your homework you need to make sure that you do it. It's listening to the audio summary. So you're going to click on Wagon Train at Dusk, click on this green. Now you need to accept, okay, and you need to log in with your Google student account. So it's going to take me a second. I got to choose my student account, so I'm going to choose my email account. Excuse me. All right, and so these are the people that need to connect. Okay. If you look right here, this says in progress. That means you haven't finished it. If you click see right here, it says 100%, then that means that person finished it. So what you have to do, go over here. When you get to this, you can see, you can put it in English or in Spanish. You have to listen to the text, then you're going to click on this little check mark when you finish. So it's 49 seconds, 1 minute. Listen to it, click on the check mark, okay? Thing you need to do, click on Classwork. You're going to go to the mentor text, Wagon Train at Dusk. You're going to click on it so that we can annotate it. So yesterday we started annotating the text for the hard words. We did up to paragraph number 8, I think. No, number 10. Number 9. Sorry, number 9. So you need to annotate 10 up until the very end. So what you're going to do is you're going to circle the words that are difficult. So to click on a word, I click on it, and it's going to pop up a box that says circle, okay? So you're going to circle the difficult words of paragraphs 10 all the way to the finish. Then you're going to look for sentences that show that this is a realistic text, that this is a real text, and you're going to put a note. So this person put 6th grade. So yeah, that's real. Somebody could be in 6th grade. That is an example of a real detail, something that's realistic, okay? So you need to find 3 realistic details and you need to highlight them, okay? So that's your job for today. Please make sure you get your work done in Realize, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.